Yeah. String handling, we saw some methods on the day which checks whether it is equal to convert case, find character, find string. Up to that we saw, and four more we will be seeing today, and those four will be practically useful, and we have used two of them in many places in our automation environment also. Split string is one option. str split, this is used to split a string of values, and then that will be stored into a string array. A sentence can be splitted based on a delimiter, and that can be stored. This we have exhaustively used in our automation script, and this has to be used in whichever automation or any development environment we are doing. Where it will be used is we will be reading from our XML or JSON or any type of input file, and we have to split the input string, and we have to pass through that and see how this is done is you have to call the method split from the string variable which you want to split. So to be split dot split, here I have given as a space as the delimiter. You can give whichever character you want, and you have to store that in a string array. And here we are printing that through for each loop. Each and every item in the string will be printed. Here I have given the environment names separated by space. 2016, 19 and 12. These three things will we are passing that to this method, and it will split that and print that method. There are many versions. C# has grown in a much bigger size, and they are adding many things to C#, and they are adding many things which are available. Microsoft's way of doing things successfully is how they bring in whatever best practice or best option available in other languages that they will bring into their own environment. So C# they are bringing from Python, they are bringing from Java, they are bringing from other things also. So it has grown out of proportion, so I'll be showing you which are all the important things, and you can explore more also. C# current version is version 9, so they have been keep on adding things. Let's see this first. See, it has splitted the string based on the space, and 16, 19, 12 are the three splitted things. This we are pretty much using in the environment, and starts with, we'll find whether the string is starting with a specific string, substring, it will see, and ends with see whether it ends with this. So this we will also be using for searching some string and finding our values. We will be using this one. And another thing, the fourth one is the random name. And the random name we use this exhaustively to when we run test cases, when we want to give the, in our case, if you want to give the group name, and then the IP range name, and other things which can be randomly generated. You can't give the Device name has to be the exact thing in the system. So other random things we can use the random method. We have seen the random method in one more example in the earlier cases. It starts with, will be used like this, the string dot start with the string to be checked, and similarly the string dot ends with will be given as the source string dot ends with the string to be checked. Like that it has to be given. And the random method, this is common to all languages. We have to create a random variable, and rand dot next of 100 means within 100 it will generate a random number, and we are receiving a string from the method, and we are concatenating that random number with that, and it will print the name plus the random number. So every time it will be a unique thing. So we are calling the methods here. See here the split string, then the second thing, it checks whether the string success is available within the source string, and the second one checks the final word is as the last word. See, serverless printing 50 is the random name getting generated using the string. This also we are using in our environment. I hope this is clear.